In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to retrieve your Bitwarden recovery code. This code is your safety net if you ever lose access to your two-step login method, so we'll walk through where to find it and how to save it securely. Start by opening the Bitwarden web vault in your browser. Once you're in your vault, look to the top or side menu and open Settings. This is the control center for your account preferences and security features, and it's where you'll manage options related to two-step login. Inside Settings, select Security. The Security section groups together all the features that protect your vault, and that's exactly where we need to be for recovery options tied to two-step login. Next, choose two-step login. This area lists the two-step methods you may have enabled and provides access to your backup recovery code. Think of this code as a one-time bypass that can get you back in if your authenticator app, security key, or SMS method isn't available. Click View Recovery Code. For your protection, Bitwarden will verify that it's really you before revealing the code. When prompted, enter your master password. This is the same master password you use to unlock your vault. It confirms the request is authorized on your account. After entering your master password, click Continue. If the password is correct, Bitwarden will display your two-step login recovery code on screen. Take a moment to read any notes Bitwarden shows about how the code works. Typically, you can use it one time in place of your second factor, and you should treat it as highly sensitive. Do not share it with anyone and avoid storing it in an easily accessible digital location. To preserve the code, click Print Code. From here, you can send it to a physical printer or choose a print to PDF option if your system supports it. If you print on paper, store the copy in a secure place, such as a safe or another protected location, separate from your master password. If you create a PDF, keep it offline and encrypted whenever possible. The goal is to have a dependable backup without exposing it to unnecessary risk. That's the full process. Open your web vault, go to Settings, then Security, then two-step login, view the recovery code, confirm with your master password, and print the code for safekeeping. If you don't see the recovery code option, make sure two-step login is enabled on your account. Thanks for watching, and take a minute right now to store that code securely so you're prepared for the unexpected.